Wire set package with 6 pin. Look at the first one. This is the RA4 4G SIM card slot cable. This part is AUX audio input and output. This one is mic port. This one is 4G SIM card built-in 4-in SIM card slot. This one is 4G antenna. This one is USB antenna. This one is GPS antennas. This one is Bluetooth rear view antenna. This wire harness is power cable. This one is external microphone. This one is mini home. This one is CAN bus. This one is reverse camera adapter box. This one is dashboard trim panel. This one is air conditioning dock. This car central control screen navigation is especially designed for Jeep Wrangler 2018 to 2022. It features a 15-inch display with 1920 x 720 resolution, powered by an Acro UIS 7A70 processor, equipped with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. How to switch the UI3 interface easily? Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to change the car content of the car? The content of the 3 cars can all be replayed. Tap the top 3 button. Here you can see a plugin selection. Inside you can choose the one you like to change everything you want. This one can be replaced too. And also you can see a button on the side. You can drag it out to enlarge its twice its original size. You can also change the position of the car. Long press the 3 button dot, and then you can change the position freely as you like. Swipe down the screen and you can enter the viewed drop-down menu, and you can see the screensaver here. It's very beautiful, and also you can adjust the brightness here and the value here, and also this night mode here. How to change the theme of the original car interface? Don't press the menu and you can see there are 6 things here, and you can choose one you like and back. How to change the card model? Long press the card model and then you can see there are so many colors here. You can choose one you like and then tap this icon and the change is successfully. How to customize and change the starter bar? Don't press any icon on the starter bar and then press the app you want. Tap the menu and then you can see there are so many app here. Look at the first one, local app, and this is the vehicle setting. Here you can see so many vehicle personalizations. And look at the equalizer. Here you can adjust the sound of your car, and then this is the equalizer. If you want this standard and standard, rock, soft, and many options for you. This is the sound field setting. Here is Ford mode for you. Look at the first one, it's driving mode, and this one is co-pilot mode. This one is rear card mode and vehicle mode. And look at the surround sound. This is the stereo sound enhancement. This is the reverberations. This one is the bass boo. This one is the sound filtering. Now look at the Bluetooth. Here, tap it, and you can see the BT from here, and you can record here, and phone booth, and you can download your content. And this is the device and the BT set. And then look at the setting. The first one is the wireless network. You can connect Wi-Fi. This one is the GPS info. And the general here, there are so many different functions for you to adjust. This is the factory with the password 336A. Go inside and you can see there are so many functions for you. Look at the wire setting. This one is the protocol setting and the display. Here, you can adjust the music. You can adjust the brightness here. And also, you can change the thing into moonlight white or into the moonlight blue. This is the sound. Here is the sound mixing scale for you. And the app storage, you can see how many storage you have used and how many storage you are free. This one is the location and the password system. Here you can change the language, add the language, and then add the language into the language you want, and then tap it, it will change into the language. Look at the CarPlay package. After you connect your phone, you can see so many app in your phone here, and you can pick up the phone here. And also music, map, message, and setting. Also calendar, postcard here. And also you can listen to the music and go to the next song, to the private song, and then you can see this is the map here. You can search for the destination, gas station, choose one you want to go. Look at the Play Store here. There are so many app for you to download wherever you want, and there are so many different kinds of app. App here, you can choose the app you want to download in your car. And also, you can search for the app you want, and there are some different kinds of internet boot for you. You can download the internet boot to watch the boot, to read the boot in the car. Look at the media here. Here you can listen to the music, and you can use this button to the nap song or the private song. And here is the playlist. You can pick the song you want. This one is the radio. If you have FM, and just choose the FM. If you have AM, just choose the AM. This one is the Bluetooth music. After you connect your phone, you can play the music in your car or your phone. This one is the online postcard, and there are so many amazing postcards here. You can choose the one you like. Now look at the map here. And now you can search for the destination you want to go, and tap it, you can search for the destination you want to go, and direction. This is the restaurant, gas, hotel, many places for you to choose. Now look at the YouTube here, tap it, and you can see the video in the car. You can choose any one video you want. And this one is the short video, and you can search for the video.